Hi, this is Angie and welcome back to Photo API. Now let's set up your AI. We'll be using a platform called OpenRouter. This gives us access to different AI models from free options to premium ones. You can test as many as you like, but so far the best one I found is GPT-40. It's fast, accurate, and works beautifully with multi-language replies. You can start with just $5, and it usually costs between $3 to $5 per month, depending on usage. So let's get it set up. First, go to the menu and click AI Photography Smart App, then Setup Instructions, and under OpenRouter Setup, click on Go to OpenRouter. Create your account. Once you're logged in, go to Settings, then click Credits. Add $5 to your balance so you're ready to use the better models. Now go to API Keys and click Create API Key. Name it something like Photo App Bot, then copy that API key and paste it into your settings sheet in column B3. This key is private, so make sure you keep it safe and never share it. Now let's set your preferences. Go to the menu and click AI and brand settings, then AI configuration. For AI provider, choose OpenRouter. For AI model, you can pick from many options. If you want to test it out with a free model, choose DeepSeek Chat or other free models. It works pretty well and it's a good way to explore the system. But when you want top performance across different languages and a more natural tone, I recommend using OpenAI GPT-40. Now look for temperature. You can leave it as it is for more accurate answers or raise it slightly if you want the responses to be more creative. Once you're done, click Save Settings. The system will automatically update your settings sheet in the background. That's it. Now you're ready to test the AI and see which model fits your brand and your budget. Try out a few free and paid ones to see which personality you like best. And if you run into any issues, I'm always here to help. Let's keep going. You're doing amazing.